Hello sir, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And what about you, bro?
I'm also good.
Okay, so what is your name?
My name is Mukesh Mandone
My name is Aryan Tomal.
and
And where are you from, bro?
I'm from Rastoda, near the
Okay,
Sabroli. And where from?
I am from Bavli. It is nearby Budot. Okay,
Rastoda.
so how many family members are there in your family?
Yeah, I have 6 members in my family.
Okay,
How many brothers do you have in your family?
I have only one brother.
Brother. And what does he do?
Nowadays, he is preparing for civil services.
Civil.
What about your brother?
I have two brothers that study in 8th class.
Okay, so what have you passed?
Yeah, I have passed 12th in this year and nowadays I am preparing the advanced examination and spoken English, learn spoken English. And what are you doing nowadays?
Oh, nowadays, I am learning spoken English and doing self study at my home.
Okay.
Okay, so what are your hobbies?
Yeah, my hobby is study and watching cricket sometime. It's
Okay,
one of my hobby.
and what do you want to be, sir?
I want to be a software engineer, and I will be next time software engineer. It's my belief.
Okay, so why do you want to be a software engineer?
I like it, and it's my dream. You can say. And what do you want to be in your life?
Bro, I want to join the defense.
And what are you doing to become that?
I am doing self study and learning spoken English as well as I am working on my voice modulation.
Okay. In which year have you passed your 12th?
I have passed my class 12th in this year.
In this year.
Yes,
Okay. And how many marks have you achieved?
I have got a 60 percentage in my class 12th. What about you?
Yeah, that's good. I have passed 12th in this year. I achieved marks 80%. Very
Okay.
good.
So as you are coming from many months, are you seeing any difference or any improvement on your communication skill?
Yeah, I see. I have learned more rule about how to speak English. It's I know. And
Okay. So why do you want to crack the NEET exam?
no, I don't want to crack NEET exam. I want to take
Okay.
examination
Why do you want to crack the exam of G?
because I want to be tech. I want to be software engineer. So they need to crack JEE advanced examination. Firstly, we need to crack JEE mains exam. After that, we can get JEE advanced crack.
Okay. So have you taken your admission in any college?
No, I am dropper of this year
Okay. Why have you not taken your admission in any college?
because I want to only be tech by
Okay.
IIT.
Why do you want to pursue your BTech?
Because I'm interested in that and it's my dream. I want to be a software engineer and if you want to be a software engineer and engineering, so you need to be tech.
Okay, so what thing do you like to do in free time?
Yeah, in free time I love to do study.
Okay.
Only.
So what does your father do?
My father is a small farmer.
Okay.
And my
So what
father,
are you doing nowadays except learning spoken English?
what's that?
What are you doing nowadays except learning spoken English?
Yeah, I don't accept anything. And what are you doing? What does your father do?
Bro, he's a retired CSF officer. Nowadays he's doing farming
He's
in
doing
my
farming.
yeah in his own village.
Nice.
Okay, so what was your dream when you was in childhood?
Yeah, my dream was a doctor. I am good in mathematics. I'm very weak in bio subject. So so I select in 11th PCM subject. So I,
Okay.
so I changed my dream. I paid for
Okay,
JEE
so why
advance
did you
exam.
select mathematics in class 11th?
Okay.
Why did you select mathematics in
Yeah,
class 11th?
because I'm interested in mathematics.
Okay.
I'm not interested in bio and any other subject.
Okay, so how many rows you learned here?
Yeah, I have learned 65 rules in 1 month.
Okay. So
One
what
row.
thing do you like most?
I think I want to learn new thing. It's like most I
Okay, so what kind of thing do you like to learn most?
how to live in life, how to
Okay.
spend time, no free time.
Okay, so what do you think about Indian sports?
No, I don't know about more English sport and any other sport.
Okay, so what kind of movies do you like to watch most?
I like to action movie.
Okay, and why do you like to watch action movies?
Yeah, just like that. Because I'm not interested in any other movie, but it's my personal choice.
Okay, so you are taking online coaching or
Ye-
only?
Yeah, I take online coaching.
Okay, so it is any benefit to improve yourself?
Yeah, it's very big and save we can save our time compared to offline coaching.
Okay, so I want to ask you one question to you. If a person prefer to take online coaching or offline coaching, which
Yeah.
is best for a
Online
student?
coaching, online coaching is the best, I think.
Okay, so can you mention some points?
Yeah, we can save. Firstly, time is very important, so we can save time.
Okay,
We can more practice
okay,
more and
and you can save your money.
yeah, save first save money. Money save.
Okay, so I want to ask one more question to you. According to yourself, communication skill is important for a person or not?
Very important, most important.
Okay, so what will you do after you crack the G exam?
I will take admission in IIT or Technical IT. If I crack
Okay,
the advanced road, definitely I will take admission in IIT. And if I cannot crack the advanced, I will crack J mains, so I will take admission in Triple IT.
okay. Suppose if you will not crack your G exam, what will be your backup plan?
Yeah, I don't think about that. I think I will crack definitely J
Okay.
mains examination.
Can you mention how many subject comes in the exam of J?
Three subjects comes in J mains
Okay.
examination.
Would you
Physics
like
and
to mention?
physics, chemistry, and mathematics.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Have a great day. So next, see you soon.
same to you, bro.
Thank you.